put all this stuff away. You guys get to watch me. Okay, this milk is old, so I'm gonna put it down the drain. Put it down the drain. We gotta rearrange the fridge or the freezer. I have to redo this freezer. Because this ice is in the way. I want this bread, but I don't have bread in my freezer. I'm gonna put all my meats and stuff on the bottom. So we're gonna rearrange this. These are chicken fingers. Now, I have to throw these out. These are my lamb chops. This is Atlantic salmon with pesto butter. These are salmon. I'm kind of over salmon. I kind of had a salmon kick for a while, but now I'm kind of over it. I'm lazy and don't want to cook. These are chicken quesadillas. Get rid of the box. I have these steaks. These are what are they called? I got this stuff. A lot of stuff in there. I don't like that stuff. I got some chicken wings. Chicken wings. Oh, let's see. I think that's all that goes in the freezer. So we're gonna do that with that. Oh wait, yeah. Oh, I gotta put that ice in there. No. We're gonna put the ice in a, you know what I need? I need cube. I was supposed to block you. Let me see, screenshot your, hide from live. Thank you, goodbye. I had gotten watermelon, but this watermelon wasn't that good, to be honest. You know what I could do? I could blend it up and make it juice. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna blend it up and then put summer watermelon vodka in it. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, these are just vegetables from the other day. I have fresh made salsa. My eggs. I need to boil these eggs because these eggs will be going bad. Cheese can go in here. You guys still eat cheese sticks? I love cheese sticks. Do you guys eat cheese sticks? I don't want to like touch it because my hands are dirty. I'm not going to drink this. This was organic lemonade. It's good. I just know I'm not going to drink it. Okay. Baby greens, butter. All my stuff is on the bottom. I'm going to put all my drinks on the bottom because I have a lot of drinks. As far as, oh, throw that chocolate milk out. And I have a lot of freaking liquor. Like, I have so much liquor. This, and then I have like 2 boxes of wine. I have a box of wine in my laundry room. I'm gonna get rid of this buttermilk. I have a lot of juice and water and stuff, so I like this. This is lemonade. This is berry juice or something. My milk goes down there as well. I have something in there marinating. These are turkey tenderloins. They're marinating. So I like different snacks. I'm very big on snacks and like Lunchables. I really want that ice. You know what I could do? I'm gonna put the ice in Ziploc baggies. So all that ice is now in 2 bags. Way easier to use. Way easier to get to. I made it so like all the seafood is right there. Well, those are beef ribs. Let me get focused. All the seafood is right here. So we have like crab cakes, salmon, and then this is like organic beef, turkey, Cajun turkey. I have the chicken wings. So that's seafood right there. Like the individual stuff is right here. We have lamb chops, then chicken, steak. Then the ground meats are under here, and then the chicken wings. These are mussels. Got a little ice cream, burritos. These are all like the quick quesadillas, cheese hot pockets. I contain that ice into the Ziploc bag. We have the orange chicken. We have the beef patties. I'm gonna freeze the watermelon to make a watermelon drink. And then we have the seafood lobster crab cakes that I'm about to eat. And then we have just some moochies, french fries, turkey patties, frozen shrimp, beef bacon, cookies. You guys can see chocolate chip cookies, some more ice. And then I still need more for my thing. We have asparagus down here, cilantro, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and then this is where I keep like the lemons and the limes. My drinks, I'm marinating. These are turkey tenderloins. I'm marinating them. Well, I guess that would be good if. There we go. Marinating them. Milk, almond milk, organic grass-fed milk, ginger ale, the juice, salad stuff, wine, cheese, bread, snacks. I need to fill this up. Take this out and fill that up. The butter. We have all the condiments. Then I put like the juices down here. All in the morning time I drink this, and I usually put like a little bit of wine in it to make it like a mimosa. We have the summer watermelon. I'm gonna freeze and then grind that watermelon up and put some of this in it. Capriccio. We have a margarita mix. All that stuff down there. And then we have this stuff. I'm still cleaning and organizing. I have to put this in the laundry room. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me move back a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do. I need to take these nails off and get a whole new set. I need to go in the bathroom. Actually, I need to get organizers for the bathroom. I need to go to like Target or something, because I really want to get these like drawer organizers so I can like organize everything. I'm just trying to get everything organized. I feel like I came in here and now I'm just kind of chilling, but I can't deal with this mess. It's really freaking bothering me. So I need to deal, organize, get everything together. I need to boil these hard-boiled eggs, and I don't know what I'll be doing next. Maybe I'll be building the shelves that I was telling you guys about. I'm not too sure. I need to take all these boxes and trash out. I need to take that to the dumpster. I need to paint this canvas for my living room. Raven Elise TV made a canvas, and it was like gray and black, and it had spackle and stuff. So I went and I bought a canvas and spackle, black, gray, white, some pink brushes, spackle, and some gold flakes. I'm going to be making that. So that's a whole nother video. What else? I need to just clean my apartment because this just isn't it. I don't like this. I need to clean it up. I'm not feeling it, so I don't know when you guys are gonna see me again, but next clip.
You knew I was a player, so you made me need to relax. You